Are you looking for ways to make money online from home, or even if you are just a teenager or a side hustler, you want to make passive income? Well, here's an idea that might not make you a millionaire because I am completely honest in my content. However, if it picks up, it will definitely make you some good money once you start mastering this, once you start practicing, especially if you are a gym freak, you like to go to the gym a lot. You can make yourself some t-shirts with a QR code and just advertise. I will make your personalized calorie tracker, which is what I'm about to show you today, how you can make money with just a computer for free, 100% free guarantee. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Let's say that you want to let's start with yourself. An example. Let's say you want to make yourself an app to keep track of all the calories you consume or burn throughout the day. Well, you can make an app with HTML. If you're not familiar what HTML is, it is a way for you to codify or make code for a program. A lot of people used to do that, early in 2000s for websites. Today it's mainly what they call website builders, but coding was the best way to do like lighter websites or programs, even softwares. But today I'm gonna show you how to make yourself a custom app for calorie tracking. Again, you can definitely make money with this side hustle. You can make some passive income too. And let's start. Okay, so let's tell AI I'm using deepseek.com, which is a Chinese company, 100% free. You can use ChatGPT, but to be honest with you, I think DeepSeek has better and faster response than ChatGPT and more accurate coding. But that's just me. I mean, you can use ChatGPT if you want. So I'm gonna tell AI, make me a calorie tracker with HTML. Okay, make sure you tell ChatGPT that HTML, and it will have it will keep track of my bad habits and tell me how many calories I'm consuming daily. I will also have a way to keep track of calories I'm burning. So again, if you go to the gym, you will know your own habit. Everyone has different habits and bad habits. So let's say um, how many miles, like how many miles I ran today, how many miles I walk today. Because me personally, I like to go on this trail and walk for at least 3.5 miles going and coming back. And not every day, but at least 5 times a week. And I usually run 3 times a week for 3 miles each time. So that is my habit. Okay, that is my routine. Again, you might not run, you might just go for a walk, but if you want to add that on your calorie tracker, then you should definitely do that. Okay, so let's say my height is 5'10" and my weight is 220 pounds. Oh, I'm sorry, 120 pounds. I was gonna say, no, wait, that's too much. Oh no, you know what? Yes, 200. Man, I'm not awake yet. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm 220 pounds. So, and my height is around 5'10". Now, why am I telling AI this information? Well, because it'll be more accurate. So that way AI knows how many calories you're burning for each mile, based on your height and your weight. Because again, everyone, it's different. And I'm a male. So just in case, I'm gonna tell AI how old I am, and I am a male. So I'm 40 years, okay? Old. My bad habits are I eat ice cream bars once a day. I eat a bag of chips daily. I believe there are 200. And you know what? Actually, let's go on Google. Lay's chips. Okay. How many ounces? Okay. So let's say that I eat this. Okay. Not the 8 ounces for sure. Not even the 13 ounces. Yes, that's how bad my bad habits are. Okay. Not the party size, but the one before, regular size. Okay. I think it's this one. I'm not so sure, but it's 100 and something. I think it's this one, 13 ounces. Because the party size, that one is 15 ounces. Yes, it is the 13 ounces. So I'm gonna tell AI the 13 ounces size of Lay's. And I also sometimes eat I eat 5 tortillas, corn tortillas a day, and a piece of bread. Okay, those are my bad habits. So let's start with this so you get an idea. It's too much information, but this is my mainly what I really worry about. Okay, all these bad habits, I need to be reminded of what I consume and how many calories each time I decide to consume these bad habits. I also do daily workout, but I don't lose too much weight because of all the crap that I eat, usually before bedtime. So that's what I'm saying. These calorie trackers would definitely help you keep track of how much is going in and how much you're burning. So now that the code is ready, I'm gonna go and do copy code, and you can run it here and get a preview of what you're doing, but you cannot edit. So what I like to use is this free website called html.onlineviewer.net. I'm gonna leave the link below, and here's the app. Okay, so I paste my code, and now I can get a preview full page, and this is the calorie tracker. Okay, so ice cream bar, I consume this daily. Okay, and this is what I burn. So let's say if I ran for 3 miles and I walk for 3.5 miles, okay, how many calories am I burning compared to what I am in intake? Okay, 640 calories I am burning daily based on my height, my weight, and my age. Okay, so I am burning 640. My intake is 2,560. You are supposed to consume certain amount, okay? And these are the calories that I am consuming daily. So if I avoid all of these bad habits, you are avoiding 2,560 calories on your body each day. And if you do this workout, imagine how much weight you are burning, and none of this is going in. You're supposed to, I believe it's 2,000 a day you're supposed to consume. So just my bad habits, it's enough calories for my daily intake, my net, okay, which is here. So as you can see, I need to keep track of all these bad habits. Just the bag of chips, look at how many calories, okay, I am consuming. It's 1,840 calories. The 5 corn tortillas that I eat daily is 350. These two are the highest. Ice cream bar is 260. I am surprised because I was expecting more. But that's just the calories plus the saturated fats and sugars that makes it even worse, okay? The carbohydrates like the slice of bread, that's still really bad. So this is unnecessary, so you are reminded how many calories you are consuming. So the next step is for me to remake this app and just tell AI, make sure I can type which bad habits I avoided so I can see how many calories I'm saving from avoiding my bad habits. Okay, this is really important so that way I can, also keep track of how many calories I am saving each time I avoid consuming those bad habits. So that way I'll also keep track of the calories burning, the calories consumed daily, and also my credit, which is this. And this definitely helps you lose weight so that way you keep track of the calories burning and the calories consumed and also the calories that you are avoiding. So now it's finished. Let's paste and let's check it out. Okay. So I avoided, let's say I avoided. Okay. Now I save 2,560 calories. That's if I really avoided those bad habits. So let's update. See all of this. Deficit 640 calories I avoided by avoiding this, but not all the time. You can definitely mark the ones that you definitely avoided, like the ice cream bar and the bag of chips, but maybe I did have tortillas and maybe I did have a piece of bread. So my net is only 180 calories from my burned calories because I only saved 2,100 calories, which is only the ice cream bar and the chips. So yeah, this is how you can make custom calorie trackers for people. You can just, what I do is I sit down with them and ask them your age, height, your weight, and what is their bad habits, what are their good habits, do they work out, what do they do, how many times a week, and also create new habits. What are their goals, what's your goal, how many pounds you want to lose. So all that information you can type it in and AI will keep a track or a record, either a daily record or a weekly record of how many calories they're burning each day and the calories being consumed and which one is winning, so that way they're reminded that if the bad habits are being consumed more than the calories burned, they're reminded that they need to avoid those bad habits so they can catch up and have more calories burned than calories consumed from the bad habits. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comments if you have questions. Hopefully, it was very clear, but this is my first video about apps and this type of stuff. So, if this really interests you, you can rewatch this video. I also appreciate if you like and subscribe. I will upload more videos in different scenarios with this new idea. Thank you guys. I'll see you next on the next episode.